What is going on? Hey, how you guys doing today? Happy Father's Day. We're going to talk about the basic driving skills report card. I'm a state certified driving instructor. I teach adults and teens. Drop a heart when I answer your question. And if you like this live, let's go ahead and bring energy in. I'm looking to bring in everyone. You need to tell your friends it's hyped. How are all of you doing? What is going on, Z? What is up? Woo, woo. Hey guys, let's go ahead and talk about this. Now, when you first get into the car, you gotta come in and chill. Stay chilled, relax, because I got you, right? You wanna go into your car, you have pre-entry and safety checks, right? We wanna stay safe. You wanna lock your doors, you wanna adjust your mirrors, but it takes a good driving instructor. You guys love my content, and I love you. I've taught hundreds and thousands of students how to drive. So now it's your turn to join aboard and ask questions. Feel hyped, grow. Let's keep these likes, let's keep everything coming. Next, pre-drive start procedures. You're gonna put your foot on the brake. Then you're gonna put the car into drive. We usually start in parking lots. You gotta learn to park. Why? Your friends will cap on you if you don't know how to park. I have a lot of parking tutorials, 3-point turnarounds, parallel parking tutorials. Parking is a fundamental. Bruh, let's go ahead and keep it going. You gotta establish your front bumper reference. What does this mean? You wanna look straight ahead, like walking in the hallway at school. All of you know how to do that. Walking outside, walking your dog, walking your cat, walking your pet. You gotta look straight ahead. Don't look down at the speedometer. I'm looking down at the speedometer. Look up and ahead. When you look up and ahead, you'll learn how to keep your car centered in lane. Let's keep it going, guys. Next, you have to know how to move forward. You want to put your car in drive? Hey, Christy, how are you? Hey Z, how are you doing? You want to shout it out? Shout it out. When you follow me, I follow you. This builds the community, right? Let's build our community. Let's grow our community. Also, I joined the Black TikTokers, right? Because I believe empowering all groups, all races of people is really important. I'm starting early because I believe in a good start. TikTok does a great job of supporting its content creators. I'm blessed to be here. I feel very nurtured, very cared about. I love the community, and that's what's up. Let's show that progress in the community right now, because I am you and you are me. We're here helping people. You got your first drive tomorrow? Look at my videos. And stay comfortable and relax. Your instructor's gonna take you in the parking lot. You're gonna take you in the neighborhood. Then you're gonna learn how to make right turns, left turns. You will feel so chilled. Here's another tip. Relax and hold the steering wheel. Don't squeeze that steering wheel, because that will make you drift off the road to the right or left. You need to report back to me after your first lesson. I wanna know, how did you do? Let's keep it going. What's up, Josh? Josh, thank you for supporting me. And Josh, I support you. Thank you for that glitter. Boop, 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 boop. Hey, let's keep it going. Operation of the steering wheel. You need to put two hands, not one, but two, your left hand and your right hand. Hey, Morgan, have both your hands on the steering wheel. Take your time. Good instructors will show you how to hold the steering wheel. 10 and 2, 9 and 3, 7 and 5. There's so many different ways to hold the steering wheel, but relax. Thank you for the rose, Z. What's up, Z? Hey, Z. Thank you, Z, for believing in me, empowering the community, and that's what it's all about, Z. We need more people like you who are gonna support the community. I'm a content creator just like any other content creator. We go through good times, we go through happy times, and this is a happy time right now. What up, EJ? What up, boy? What up? Let's keep it going. I'll shout you out. You follow me, I follow you. I'll shout you out. I'll do a dance for you. Let's keep it going. Now, operate the vehicle. You got to learn to put the car into drive. You got to put your foot on the brake. Squeeze the brake, put it in drive. The car will move forward. Let's keep it going. You have questions, you put those in. I answer your questions, you drop a like, you drop a heart, you drop a rose. Let's show the algorithm that this content creator, this African-American content creator, really wants to grow in the community. Just got my license 2 days ago. I accidentally ran a red light. Don't stress, relax, you're okay. Pause, just pause. Next time, go slower, look and check. We all are human, we all make mistakes. Thank you for sharing that, and that makes you stronger. Can you make me stronger by dropping a heart or like? I'll shout you out. Thank you, C, I really appreciate you. Vehicle familiarization. Identify, communicate, comfort, safety, convenience, and control devices. What's up? What's up, She Ready? What's up, She Ready? She Ready? I've been commenting on your stuff. You already know. Boop, 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 boop. She Ready? If you want to come on my live with me, hey, She Ready? I got you. You know why I'm shouting out She Ready? She has supported me, and I've supported her, and appreciate all the love, all the care. I've seen your posts, I've seen your comments, and I acknowledge you. And please join the Black creators. I'm filling out the information now. They want to know my goals, and it's a community, all content creators. Thank you, She Ready. And whatever you need, She Ready, you let me know. We reach out, we support each other, and that's the way it's supposed to be. So any tips, you first have to follow me. Next, I want you to set a personal goal. Set a personal goal to learn how to drive. Listen to your instructor. If they tell you to stop softly, you stop softly. If they tell you to make a left, you go up into the middle, you pause, right? I just took my test in the Dodge Durango. How did it go, C? Did it go good? What's up, Jasmine? How did it go? That's a big vehicle. Let a brother know. Boop, 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 boop. That's for She Ready, and that's for all of you who take the time to join the live. It's all about you. It's not about me, right? Let's keep it going. Next, you got to know how to approach intersections. So you want to look left, right, left. You want to be, I passed, I swung the parallel parking in 10 seconds. Nice. Take your time. And it's really important that you breathe. Your goal is to learn how to drive, to become a safe driver, and to get better. It's really important that you get better every single day. You learn. I post videos daily, driving tutorials, parallel parking, 3-point turnaround. Thank you, She Ready, for liking my live. And She Ready, I hope you sign up for the Black TikTokers, because I really believe it would help you grow. It would help me grow. And we are content creators. We're celebrating our African-American history, our Latino history, our African history, and it's really important. And I'm so proud you're here. I feel like you're a friend. I can be myself. I can relax. And then when you go live and I get notifications, I'm popping on yours, right? So we all help each other. I was on a live call. They said this program will be out. So I want to learn how to do better on this platform, right? I want to learn how to make better content, right? Did you need to work? Yes, I did. And then opportunities come, right? And how are you doing? Are you working? Are you driving? And when opportunities come, you grow. We can't be scared to stay the same, right? From 15 to 18, from 18 to 21, from 21 to 27, just like on this platform. You gotta make better content. Do you hear me? You gotta make better tutorials. You gotta tell better jokes. You can't just put a video out, put a hashtag in. It's gotta make sense, and it's gotta bring value, right? I try to bring value every time I put a video together. How can it help my community? How can it help you pass your test? How can it help you get rid of anxiety? How can it help you correctly go through a roundabout? How can I help you learn that when you learn how to drive, wow,